Today we're in our garden and you can see we have tomatoes and peppers. We just got 6 inches of rain here locally in my garden. And so part of the issue that you might start to see because of the rain event is you might start seeing a calcium deficiency in your tomatoes or possibly even your peppers. What we're seeing is we're starting to see some damage that's occurring, and typically you're going to see blossom end rot on the bottom of your tomatoes starting. You're going to start seeing this discoloration, a brown discoloration. It's a calcium deficiency. At the bottom of your tomato, you might see it turning a white color or discoloring, and then it's going to proceed to get a dark brown to turn black, and that's the blossom end rot. This one is starting to show signs of stress. It's also even showing some insect damage and some cracking going on. You can see there's holes in this one. So this fruit is actually going to be less quality fruit. It's not that it couldn't be harvested later as it turns and matures, but you're going to see there's a lot of damage and a lot of issues going on. You can still correct it. One way you can correct it is that you can use a calcium-rich fertilizer. You can apply it to your plants. You can do a foliar spraying of your plants. You can apply it through the water source to your plants. Another way you can do it that you can have is if you don't want to use a calcium-rich fertilizer, if you're organic on your garden, you can use milk and add some milk into your water source and apply it to your plants. So when you're applying your calcium, you can apply it as a fertilizer. You can put it in the water into the root system, but you can also spray it on your leaves and use it as a foliar application. A lot of times if you have your spray bottles, or you can take a spritzer bottle and you can apply it to the leaves, and that calcium will get in there. And then as you can see, I have a lot of green fruit. So if you're monitoring the fruit and you're not seeing any issues with that fruit, you can go ahead and get it corrected before it's time for it to harvest that tomatoes off your plants. So you definitely want to look at that, be monitoring your plants, checking for pests, checking for any issues that you're seeing on even your green tomatoes, because as they mature, they're going to carry on, and that disease is just going to intensify, and that's going to spread to the bottom and across your plant, and you won't be able to harvest that fruit. So definitely take a chance, correct your calcium deficiencies early, and you'll still be able to harvest plenty of fruit throughout the season.